Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make Jivamrut, which increases the fertility of your soil. Cow dung and Gomutra have been used for ages in Indian farming, which contain essential nutrients for plants and millions of microbes, which improve the structure of soil and break down the available nutrients that can be easily taken by the plants. So it is basically the microbial culture. So what are the ingredients to make Jivamrut? We need fresh cow dung 1 kg, cow urine 1 liter, organic jaggery 200 grams, gram flour or besan 200 grams, curd 1 cup and 10 liters of water. You can use any discarded container for this. First add cow dung and cow urine, followed by jaggery. Then add curd and gram flour and mix everything thoroughly. There should be no lumps in the mixture. After mixing, add 10 liters of water to this mixture and then cover it loosely. Don't keep it in direct sunlight. We have to stir this mixture thrice a day for 7 days. You can remove this superficial layer and mix rest of the contents. The mixture is ready for use after 7 days. What you have to do is mix 1 liter of this solution with 10 liters of water, and then you can water the plants. You can use Jivamrut every 7 days to water your plants thoroughly. You can treat your soil before plantation with this solution. Jivamrut has good amount of NPK and it is acidic in nature. Most of the vegetables require moderately acidic to neutral pH for their growth and bioavailability of the nutrients. This solution can convert a barren land into a productive land. It is very cost effective, natural and organic, improves health of your soil, and it is safe for the environment. Other solutions that can be made with cow dung and urine are Amrut Pani, Bijamrut, Panchagavya. All these are very beneficial for your plants and very cheap. Do try making Jivamrut for your plants and let me know your result in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.